Yo, want to change your Snapchat name or username? In just few minutes, I'll show you how to update both from settings on iPhone or Android. Let's make your profile shine. First, let's change your display name, what your friends see. Open Snapchat, tap your profile icon in the top left. That's your Bitmoji or picture. Hit the gear icon in the top right for settings. Scroll to name, tap it, type your new name, like 1 Minute IT Shot, and tap save. Boom! Your display name's updated. Now let's update your username, the @handle. Stay in settings, scroll to username, and tap it. Hit change username, then type your new one, like 1 Minute IT Shot. Tap next and confirm by tapping continue. Heads up, you can only change your username once a year, so pick something awesome. Look at that. Your profile now rocks your new display name and username. Friends see your display name, and your @handles your new ID. Refresh the app to make sure it's saved. If it's not showing, check your internet or try again. Your Snapchat's officially upgraded. That's it. You've changed your Snapchat name and username in minutes. Like this video for more app hacks, subscribe for weekly tech tips, and tell me, what's your new Snapchat name? Drop it below. Stay fresh, and I'll see you next time.